So Grok AI just released a new feature that lets you create some nice looking diagram or chart by just prompting, and these are just some examples that were created on Grok AI. But unfortunately, they don't say anything on how you can use it, but don't worry, it's actually quite straightforward, and I'll show you how you can create any chart using Grok AI. But if you want to use this tool, you have to navigate to grok.com because this capability doesn't exist on the Grok AI on x.com or Twitter. So you have to navigate to grok.com and then log in with your account. You can create a new account using email or log in with your X or Twitter account. And then here, if you want to create a diagram or a chart like this, then you have to be explicit on your prompt. For example, I'm going to ask Grok AI to generate a chart, let's say telling the number of AI companies per country. And after that, you can send a message. So you can use Grok 3 and you can enable other settings, but this is the basic prompt that I'm going to use. And Grok AI will understand that you're trying to create a diagram, and therefore it will create a visual content, but it is not creating a picture, it is creating a diagram. So it's much accurate compared to creating a picture. And in case you didn't know, AI picture usually not very good at creating or writing text. So this is the result, and I think this is much better than, you know, reading some bullet points or a very long paragraph. This kind of visualization is a lot easier to digest compared to just regular text. And you can click the download button to get this content as an image or as a spreadsheet in case you want to export it to Microsoft Excel or Google Spreadsheet. But in this case, I'm going to download this file as an image. And there you go. It's pretty quick, and this is the result. So that's basically how you can use Grok AI's chart generator by just providing a simple prompt. Remember, always include the generate a chart keyword or something like that in your prompt to let AI know that you are trying to create a chart. Now, in case you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel because I'm planning to make more AI tutorials in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.